Think you can beat the holiday shopping chaos? Join me as I tackle the madness. With these proven shopping hacks, we're saving time and money. Let's make this season stress-free and fun. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. The holidays are a time for joy, not stress. It's a season meant for creating beautiful memories with loved ones, sharing laughter, and enjoying the festive spirit. But often, the pressure of holiday preparations can overshadow the joy. Planning ahead is your key to a smooth and enjoyable holiday shopping experience. By organizing your tasks and setting clear goals, you can navigate the holiday season with ease and grace. Don't wait until the last minute. Start early to avoid the crowds and ensure you find the perfect gifts. The earlier you begin, the more options you'll have, and the less likely you'll be to face the dreaded out-of-stock notices. Begin by making a list of everyone you need to buy for. This simple step can save you a lot of time and stress later on. Think about family, friends, co-workers, and anyone else you want to show appreciation to during the holidays. Jot down gift ideas next to their names. Consider their interests, hobbies, and needs. Personalizing your gifts shows thoughtfulness and care, making your presents even more special. This will keep you organized and prevent you from forgetting anyone. An organized list is your roadmap to a stress-free holiday season. It ensures that no one is left out and that you can track your progress as you go. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. Next, set a budget. Financial stress can dampen the holiday spirit, so it's crucial to determine how much you can afford to spend. Determine how much you can realistically spend on gifts this year. Take into account your overall financial situation and any other holiday expenses you might have, such as travel or entertaining. Allocate specific amounts for each person on your list. This helps you stay within your budget and ensures that you don't overspend on any one person. This will help you stay on track and prevent overspending. Sticking to your budget allows you to enjoy the holidays without the worry of financial strain. Early planning allows you to take advantage of sales and promotions. Many retailers offer significant discounts during the holiday season, and starting early means you can make the most of these deals. Many retailers offer discounts throughout the season. Keep an eye out for these promotions, both in-store and online, to maximize your savings. By starting early, you'll have more time to compare prices and snag the best deals. This not only saves you money but also ensures that you get the best value for your purchases. So, take a deep breath, start planning now, and make this holiday season the most joyful and stress-free one yet. The holidays are about spreading cheer, not financial stress. It's a time to enjoy with family and friends, to create memories that will last a lifetime. But often, the pressure to buy the perfect gifts and host the best parties can lead to overspending and financial strain. Before you hit the stores, create a realistic budget. This means sitting down and taking a hard look at your finances. Determine how much you can afford to spend without putting yourself in a difficult financial situation. This will be your roadmap to responsible holiday spending. Think of it as a guide that will help you navigate through the holiday season without losing track of your financial goals. Knowing your limits helps you make informed decisions. When you have a clear budget, you can prioritize your spending and make choices that align with your financial situation. Factor in all holiday expenses, not just gifts. Include decorations, which can add a festive touch to your home and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Travel costs if you're planning to visit family or friends, and food, which is often a significant part of holiday celebrations. And any parties you plan to host. Hosting can be a wonderful way to bring people together, but it can also be expensive if not planned carefully. It's easy to overspend when you only consider part of the picture. The excitement of the season can lead to impulse purchases and unplanned expenses. Once you set your budget, stick to it. This requires discipline and sometimes saying no to things that aren't within your financial plan. Use cash or a designated credit card for holiday purchases. This can help you keep track of your spending and avoid the temptation to overspend. This makes it easier to track your spending and avoid overspending. Regularly review your expenses to ensure you're staying within your budget. Stay mindful of your budget while shopping. Compare prices, look for deals, and don't be afraid to shop around to find the best prices. Remember, thoughtful gifts don't have to break the bank. It's the sentiment behind the gift that truly matters. Get creative with DIY presents, baked goods, or personalized items. These can be more meaningful and appreciated than expensive store-bought gifts. It's the thought that counts, not the price tag. By planning ahead and sticking to your budget, you can enjoy a stress-free holiday season filled with joy and happiness. Embrace the convenience of online shopping. Browse thousands of products from the comfort of your own home. No crowded stores, no long lines, just stress-free shopping at your fingertips. Compare prices from different retailers easily and quickly. Utilize price comparison websites and browser extensions to ensure you're getting the best deals. Online shopping makes it simple to find the best value. Pay close attention to shipping costs and delivery times. Factor these into the overall price when comparing products. Many retailers offer free shipping promotions, especially during the holidays. Don't assume all stores offer the same prices. During the holiday season, prices can vary significantly from one retailer to another. Take the time to compare prices from different retailers, both online and in-store. This can be done easily with a few clicks or a short trip to the mall. A little research can lead to significant savings. Spend a few minutes checking different websites or visiting a few stores to see where you can get the best price. Price comparison websites and apps are your best friends during holiday shopping. They aggregate prices from various retailers, making it easy to see who offers the best deal. These tools allow you to quickly compare prices from multiple retailers and ensure you're getting the best deal. Some apps even alert you when prices drop or when there are special promotions. Don't forget to factor in potential savings from coupons, discounts, and loyalty programs. Many stores offer exclusive deals to members or through their apps. Many retailers offer price-matching policies as well. If you find a lower price at another store, ask if they will match it. Ask before you buy to maximize your savings. It never hurts to inquire about price matching or additional discounts. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Small savings can add up over time, especially during the holiday season when expenses can quickly pile up. Those savings can add up quickly, allowing you to purchase more gifts or stay within your budget more easily. Imagine being able to buy that extra special gift because you saved on other items. Make your money work harder for you. By being a savvy shopper, you can stretch your budget further and enjoy the holiday season without financial stress. Additionally, consider using cashback apps and websites. These platforms offer a percentage of your purchase back in cash, which can be a great way to save even more. Over time, the cashback you earn can accumulate, providing you with extra funds for future purchases or even a little treat for yourself. Planning your purchases and setting a budget can also help you avoid overspending. Knowing exactly what you need and how much you can spend will keep you on track. With these strategies, you can enjoy the holiday season without breaking the bank. Happy shopping! Section 5. Avoid impulse buys. Stick to your list. The holidays are a time for giving, not overspending. Avoid impulse buys by sticking to your shopping list. A list helps you stay focused and resist tempting but unnecessary purchases. Before adding an item to your cart, ask yourself if it's really necessary. Will the recipient truly love and use it, or is it just a fleeting moment of holiday excitement? Be honest with yourself. If you see something tempting, take a moment to consider if it aligns with your budget and your gift list. Sometimes it's best to walk away and reconsider before making a purchase. Section 6. Gift cards and loyalty programs. Smart shopping perks. Gift cards and loyalty programs are secret weapons for savvy holiday shoppers. They can help you save money, earn rewards, and simplify your shopping experience. Gift cards are a great option when you're unsure what to get someone. They allow recipients to choose something they truly want and need. Many retailers offer bonus rewards or discounts on gift card purchases during the holidays. Join loyalty programs at your favorite stores. These programs often provide points, discounts, or exclusive access to sales. Maximize your savings and earn rewards on your holiday purchases. Section 7. Stay safe online. Protect yourself. While convenient, online shopping requires vigilance. Stay safe by shopping from reputable retailers and websites. Look for secure website connections, https:// and be wary of suspicious links or emails. Use strong passwords and avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for transactions. Public Wi-Fi can be insecure, putting your personal and financial information at risk. Keep your antivirus software updated and be cautious about sharing personal information online or over the phone. Regularly review your bank and credit card statements for any suspicious activity. Section 8. Experiences over things, gifts that create memories. This holiday season, consider giving the gift of experiences. Experiences create lasting memories and foster stronger connections, often proving more meaningful than material gifts. Think concert tickets, cooking classes, museum passes, weekend getaways, or even a hot air balloon ride. Tailor the experience to the recipient's interests and hobbies. Experiences don't have to be expensive. A personalized coupon book for activities like movie nights, picnics in the park, or game nights can be a thoughtful and budget-friendly option. Section 9. Wrap up. Happy holidays, happy shopping. Remember, the holidays are about spending quality time with loved ones and spreading joy. By planning ahead, budgeting wisely, and embracing these shopping hacks, you can navigate the season with ease and create a memorable celebration for everyone. Happy holidays and happy shopping. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. This is why you need a holiday shopping game plan. Use cashback apps when you shop. They're like free money in your pocket. Check out our channel for more awesome holiday hacks. Happy shopping! The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.